do you do that with your eyes?
Baby, if there's one thing I always want to look back, ay yung nakilala kita 9 years ago. Because of you, how I viewed life has changed.
I swear I wish I could read your mind.
Love, sa lahat ng biyayang ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos, ang pagdating at pagiging bahagi mo ng buhay ko, ang pinakagusto ko. Dahil sa'yo, mas naunawaan ko ang tunay na kahulugan ng buhay ko na kumpleto, pagkatao ko at pinasasaya mo ang puso ko.
I can't describe your eyes.
I am confident to be standing right beside the man who completes my life.
My happiness, my purpose. Thank you for making me the happiest bride as I am now.
Baby, you know that I want mine. If we get no rest till the sunrise, until you make me fall in love again as light shows your face, I can never be the same. I plan to love you all my life, until you meet your chariot.
Simula pa lang, ramdam kong ikaw na talaga yung panghabang buhay ko at sa kwento, ikaw at ako, ang bida, ang Diyos ang sentro, habang tayo'y hanggang dulo.
Mine. And when your smile creates that temple, I tend to be used as your pillow.
This relationship would not be so wonderful kung hindi ka naging matyaga sa akin. You have seen me at my lowest, pero naging mas matapang ako harapin ang mga challenges because of you. Through you, I became my best version every day. And from this forward, I want you to know that I won't stop loving you. If dumating yung time na mapapagod tayo sa isa't isa, let's just breathe and go back kung paano tayo nagumpisa.
To dream. Baby, you know that I want mine. If we get no rest till the sunrise, until you make me fall in love again as light shows your face, I can never be the same. I plan to love you all my life.
Salamat, love, sa pagtupad ng pangarap ko. At makasal, halos wala na akong mahiling sa Diyos dahil binigyan niya ako ng isang partner na may mabuting puso, mabait at mahalaga. Pinapahanga mo pa ako, pagiging mahinaon mo, lalo na kung mayroong mga challenges. Thank you, love, dahil lagi kang nandyan para sa akin. Lalo na sa mga time na sobrang need ko ng karamay. Thank you, love, dahil tanggap at mahal mo ako ng buong buo.
Intertwined, you're telling me words unspoken. Our fingers align as they intertwine. You break my heart wide open. Baby, you know that I won't mind. We get no rest till the sunrise, until you make me fall in love again as light shows your face. I can never be the same. I plan to love you all my life. Yeah.
Alam ko ang susunod na chapter ng buhay natin ay hindi madali. Mas maraming challenges ang darating pero handa na akong mas mahalin ka pa. Unawain ka pa at aalagaan ka pa. Pipiliin ka ng paulit-ulit dahil mahal kita ng paulit-ulit. Siguro darating ang time na mapapagod ako pero hindi ang susuko. At babalikan ko ang araw na ito ng ating buhay na ikaw at ako ay nanumpa sa harap ng Diyos. Mahal na mahal kita at mas mamahalin pa hanggang sa huling araw ng buhay na.
My dear Mel G and Charmy Liz, this afternoon is indeed a day for us to thank the Lord, not only for this celebration, the celebration of the sacrament of marriage and the celebration of the Holy Eucharist, but more so, we thank the Lord for the gift of persons, for the gift of people. Charmy, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Melody, did you also come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
You, Bebo, for being there since day one. I am very thankful that we had each other when no one believed in us. When we had nothing and still here we are together, going stronger, when we have almost everything. I love you, Bebo, and I can't wait to spend this lifetime with you.
Melody and Charmy, have always your faith in God ready because you will need it and God will always be there for you. Congratulations. Brothers and sisters, I formally present to you Mr. and Mrs. Melody and Charmy Liz Happiness.